ADNOC Gas planning an IPO of 3 billion shares, and EDF suffers the biggest loss in France's corporate history. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. ADNOC Gas is planning for an IPO of 3 billion shares and a listing on Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. ADNOC intends to offer about 4% of ADNOC Gas's issued share capital in the offering. The subscription period for the UAE retail offering is expected to run from February 23rd to March 1st and until March 2nd for investors. The listing should occur on March 13th. France's state-controlled energy giant EDF reported one of the biggest losses in France's corporate history today. EDF's debt ballooned to $68.6 billion last year, while losses totaled $19 billion. That compares with $5.3 billion in profit in 2021. EDF struggled with a drop in electricity output after shutting down a big chunk of France's nuclear plants. When energy prices soared, the government ordered EDF to sell energy at below cost to consumers. Hong Kong stocks ended the week with more losses today. It comes after another above forecast U.S. inflation reading and comments from Federal Reserve officials suggesting it could hike interest rates 50 basis points next month. The Hang Seng fell 1.28%. The Shanghai Composite sank 0.77%, and the Shenzhen Composite on China's second exchange lost 1.16%. Mercedes-Benz saw a jump in 2022 profits on strong demand for high-end and electric models, but warned of a sluggish start to the new year in Europe. Net profit jumped by 34% to $15.7 billion last year. Revenues rose 12% year-on-year to $159.5 billion. The German carmaker says the earnings boost was down to a sharpened focus on premium cars and vans, which tend to have higher profit margins, combined with tight cost control. Hermes has posted record annual profits and sales, riding a luxury boom while faring better than its rivals in China in the last quarter of 2022. Net profit reached $3.6 billion last year, a 38% jump from 2021. France's high fashion houses have posted bumper earnings despite high inflation that caused a cost of living crunch in many countries. Sales rose 29% to $13 billion, slightly higher than forecast by analysts. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest loser today is Elon Musk, down $7.9 billion with net wealth of $194.1 billion. Our second biggest loser today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault, down $3.4 billion with net wealth of $212.6 billion. And our third place loser is Jeff Bezos, down $3 billion with net wealth of $121.3 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.